Thank you, Ashish, for joining us. We have Ashish Gupta with us today, Brand Director of Volkswagen Passenger Cars India. And we're going to talk about the new products that Volkswagen has come up with in the Indian market. Thank you, Ashish, for joining. And
always a pleasure.
And first, let's talk about the new products that you're coming up with, the new Taygun and the Tiguan. So, first question is, what are your expectations? How are you going to go ahead with these two cars in the market now? You have 4 SUVs in the portfolio. So, what are your plans for 2021?
I think the plans are pretty clear. Last year, when we announced our SUVW strategy, we promised to bring 4 SUVWs into India. Last year, we already got 2 into the market, the T-Roc and the Allspace, and their success gives us a lot of confidence that we are on the right path. So continuing with that strategy this year, as you already know and we showcased to you, we already showed you the Tiguan and the Taygun, which complete our portfolio in the Indian market as far as SUVs is concerned. So we now have a very well-rounded, portfolio, starting from the Taygun, which is a volume player for us, to very differentiated offerings with the T-Roc, the Tiguan and the Allspace. So customers have an option to upgrade within Volkswagen itself and a well-rounded portfolio to look forward to.
What sort of prospects are looking, because that segment is very crowded right now, and जिस तरह competition अभी फिलहाल वहाँ पर है, आपको क्या लगता है किस तरह का space आपका ये product उस segment में बना पाएगा with the kind of offerings that you're giving in with the car? So किस तरह का space आपको लगता है कि ये segment में बना पाएगा?
Taygun की बात कर रहे हैं? Taygun की. So Taygun, I think अगर आप देखेंगे, अगर उस space को देखेंगे, yes, there are a lot of players, but in terms of real product and real, differentiated products, there are not many. It looks crowded, yeah? but if you look at the numbers itself, it is basically something which is dominated by 2 players. Yeah? So in that segment, I think there is first of all enough scope for this segment itself to grow. अगर आप देखेंगे SUV segment जो है, ये only एक ऐसी segment है जो in spite of pandemic भी grow कर रही थी last year, और इस साल के पहले 2 महीने में भी यही segment है जो सबसे ज़्यादा grow कर रही है. So first of all, I think वहाँ पे space है कि अगर हम आते हैं वहाँ पे तो ये segment ही expand करें. But within that segment itself, I think our product is very differentiated because it brings with it the promise of German engineered Volkswagen with its DNA of quality, safety and fun to drive. I think that these are very strong product propositions along with the promise of German engineering.
Okay, and customer experience की बात करते हैं. So we've came up with this Sarvottam 2.0. So, and the whole brand image, actually the showroom and everything is going to get a new look.
Yeah.
And so in terms of customer experience, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये अब जो नया कस्टमर जुड़ेगा या पुराना जो Volkswagen कस्टमर है, उसके लिए किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस अब Volkswagen लेकर आने वाली है मार्केट?
देखिए, जब मेरा बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ
है, how different is it going to be from before?
So मेरा बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है कि जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट लाते हैं तो कस्टमर सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट नहीं बाय करता, स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स अ हाई वैल्यू परचेज. कस्टमर परचेज करता है, कस्टमर आपसे जुड़ता है एक एक्सपीरियंस के लिए, राइट? सो अगर आप एक नया प्रोडक्ट ला रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ आपको अपना कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस भी अपना चेंज करना चाहिए उसके साथ. सो इस थॉट के साथ हमने अपना सर्वोत्तम 2.0 प्रोग्राम कंसेप्चुलाइज किया, जिसमें हम विजुअल क्यूज चेंज कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से हमारा ब्रांड लुक एंड फील क्या है. इट हैज़ टू बी मोर कंटेम्प्रेरी, मोर वाइब्रेंट, बिकॉज उस तरह के कस्टमर्स को हम अपील करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आपकी प्रेजेंस है ऑन वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म्स, वो होनी चाहिए, चाहे वो डिजिटल हो चाहे शोरूम हो. Digital has grown exponentially over the last 1 year, so you have to make sure that you are present with your information, with your products, with your offers on all digital channels to make it more accessible for the customers. And on the physical space as well, you have to improve the quality of your interaction. Customers जो आज आपकी showroom में आ रहे हैं, they have exposure to all global experiences. Yeah, they are interacting, and my customers, especially the customers for my brand, are actually globally aware customers who look at the best brands available in the market. So I have to make sure that my customer experience is also commensurate for that. So bringing these 3 or 4 elements together, we are implementing a host of almost 45 initiatives in differentiating our customer experience through the Sarvottam 2.0.
And I would add that कि इसको लेकर touch points भी increase करने का for the creative viewers की कैसे ही expand आगे करने जा रहे हैं, and which regions are you looking forward to कि यहाँ पर भी we have to have presence over there also.
I think जो हमारी strategy है नेटवर्क की वो बड़ी clear है. हम ऐसे पार्टनर्स और ऐसा नेटवर्क चाहते हैं कि जो कि ब्रांड कॉन्शियस हो और जो परफॉर्मेंस ड्रिवन है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अ प्रीमियम player in the volume segment. So our network also needs to have that kind of a passion for the brand and the drive to actually provide a premium experience. तो लास्ट 2-3 साल में हमने अपना नेटवर्क एक्चुअली कंसोलिडेट किया है टू हैव मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर पार्टनर्स हु कैन डिलीवर दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस टू कस्टमर्स. हैविंग सेड दैट, वी हैव आल्सो एक्सपेंडेड आवर रीच थ्रू alternate channels, through alternate formats of showrooms. Instead of having big 3S showrooms or 3S facilities, we have focused especially in tier 1 and tier 2 cities with smaller formats, which are more viable for the dealers as well and are nearer to the customer. So by the end of this year, we will have close to 150 touch points in India, and this is a network which is capable of selling more than 1 lakh vehicles a year.
Great. So one last question. You talked about the used car business.
Yeah.
And what do you think कि अब किस तरह से वो जा रहा है, and what prospects you still see that that business still has in India, and what do you think about that?
I think it's moving upwardly in a very big way. अगर आप देखेंगे इंडियन प्री-ओन्ड कार सेगमेंट को, that's around 1.4 to 1.5 times of newer car industry. Globally ये रेशियो अराउंड 2 to 2.5 रहती है, राइट? तो ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल बहुत हाई है, एंड हमने देखा कि पिछले 1-1.5 साल में भी the used car industry is growing to the range of 20%, much higher than the new car industry. Again, driven by the same trends of customers preferring personal mobility, lot of two-wheeler owners trying to upgrade to four-wheelers. So the momentum in pre-owned cars is tremendous. इस वक्त कमी है तो गाड़ियों की actually pre-owned cars, yeah, and that is what is helping us and help everybody because it
So
will
is this, sorry to interrupt, but is this somehow also going to help the existing customers that you have in the Indian market? So is that business or related to some?
Of course ना, of course. आज अगर आप Volkswagen खरीदने की बात कर रहे हैं, I am sure you have another car in your house, yeah. So what would you like to do? You would like to go to a Volkswagen showroom and have a hassle-free experience. यार ये मेरी गाड़ी है, अब मेरे को आपकी Volkswagen लेनी है. Can you take this car? Yeah. So that's a natural advantage that you get. Second option for you, or second chance, or second opportunity for you is customers from other brands coming to you and saying मैं आपसे दूसरी गाड़ी खरीदना चाहता हूँ. Yeah. So that is where if you are buying a other brand car, used car into your network, you actually have the customer database. कि किसने कब गाड़ी बेची? Can I actually approach him later and say कि अब आप मेरी गाड़ी भी कंसिडर करिए? Remember that when he comes to sell or buy a car, used car from you, he actually takes away from you the customer experience he has had.
Of course, that is there. So thank you, Ashish, for joining, and congratulations again for the both new
Thank you
products
so
that we
much.
have.
Always a pleasure.
Hoping to meet you soon again.